On offer at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers is this gorgeous 2023 Portax LK model by Buckman. This is a fantastic unit, extra long as compared to its regular Portax K cousin. You have 2 extra feet between the stall bars at the chest and the tack storage locker, and anyone who follows Buckman knows that the K means that front walk-off ramp, which is excellent if you're offloading older horses with hind end injuries, training young horses, or simply going on your own. The Portax model had a redesign here for 2023, and we're going to see some of the advantages as we walk through. One of them was that light bow you saw in the front. It's lower and wider now and changes the direction of light coming into the trailer, so it's bright inside, but it is not causing glare for the horses. We have a 5-foot ramp. It is treaded with the Buckman patented design, makes it a non-slip mat during inclement weather. You have 2 33-inch wide stalls built on a galvanized steel chassis. You have anodized aluminum wall panels that have an air pocket in the middle, so it acts as an insulator, keeping it cool in the summer and warmer in the winter. 7'7" is the internal height here, and you can accommodate horses wearing up to an 84-inch blanket, up to 18 hands. If you need something that's longer, we can accommodate you with a factory build. 2 lateral sliding windows with grills, an air vent in the roof, which draws air from over the top of the trailer and out through the back, taking the heat off of the horses. 2 positions at the front of the trailer for chest bars. This is showing the lower position, and this is 4 inches taller, the higher position. You can adjust the length of the stall by 3 positions at the back, so you can adjust the length so that the seat belts for your horse fit just fine. The LK comes with the added rubber mat for wear protection, which is a great feature. And new in 2023 are magnetic holders for the rear stall panel. So if you're loading and you're on a bit of an angle or a hill, you're able to move the panel over out of the way. I'll show you if I was moving my first horse. I would just swing this around and it's going to click in place. And now that will stay open while I'm loading, and I don't have to worry about the panel swinging and touching my horse and startling him while we're coming in. It comes with the portable feed buckets. That's a standard feature on the LK model, and you have an entrance door beside the ramp on the passenger side and an entrance door on the driver's side. If we were going to offload our horses, I'm just going to drop this chest bar. Let's pretend that our horse is still tied on the trailer tie. I'm going to move the portable bucket out of my way. Stick it up here. And then I would be able to walk the horse on the driver's side out and across to be able to walk down that ramp. The ramp is the same width as the stall, so if your horse fits in the 33-inch wide stall, it would also fit down the ramp. But the horse on the passenger side needs to navigate itself and line up with the ramp. So I've dropped that chest bar, and I'll push the panel out of the way. I now have all of this space to be able to walk across the front of the trailer and line up and walk my horse right down. I've just popped outside of the trailer, and I'm going to take a look at the tack locker. I'm just going to open up the door. Tack locker easily accessible from the driver's side. Open up that one. You've got some hooks here, a storage net. Of course, we come with the wrench to be able to change your tires. Cleanup crews just waiting for you. Place for your crops, more hooks. We have a light up top there, and then these racks will swivel out. They're just in a locked position at the moment, and so new the trailer that we have the step stool just still zip tied. So lots of storage in your trailer. If you are taking 2 horses, you have room up front to be able to store some hay. Everything stays balanced. If you need to create a step up, you can with the ramp at the back. Switch it over with the flip of a pin. We have that on our YouTube channel if you want to check it out. Fantastic trailer for you and your horses. Can be pulled behind any light truck or mid-sized vehicle. Take a look and learn more at Maple Lane Equestrian Trailers.